Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a journal love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me and for personal reading or healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono masterclass and self-love course too, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. There's something. Yeah, let's go. Libra, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Let's see what we have. We have the Three of Cups, okay? Okay, there's a sense of collaboration, partnership, enjoying the company, enjoying the connection. Let me clarify the Three of Cups. I hope not something else. Let's see. We have the Judgment, the Ten of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. So someone here is feeling that they should come forward towards you and sort it out with you and have a reconciliation kind of energy between you and them, especially if you guys were married or had a very serious long-term connection with each other or committed to each other at some point of time. This is somebody who is seeking for a forgiveness kind of energy and wanting to have reconciliation, coming back together in a very mature and grounded way. Okay. Okay. So if yes, especially for those who were married or had a very strong connection or committed to each other, were committed to each other at some point of time. Okay. I don't think this is for those who had a casual fling with you or you guys had a just connection for some time. It's not for those. This is a reading for those who had a strong connection or you guys were married with each other, but something happened. Maybe you guys were not divorced or something, but you guys were kind of having a rough patch. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Ten of Swords. From your side, you feel like defeated in the situation. You feel like you can't do anything about the situation anymore. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Defeated, but at the same time, you're feeling like the worst is over. Let's clarify the Ten of Swords here. You feel kind of helpless in the situation. We have the Fool card, the Two of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you feel like breaking free from this on and off, in and out kind of energy and putting in the effort and energy in the right direction with the right kind of dynamic, with the right kind of mindset in whatever you feel is good for you at the end of the day. Okay, you don't feel taking unnecessary risk in any direction. You don't feel like you should put in the effort and energy into something that you know is not good for you, but you definitely feel like having a breakthrough where you are going to put in the energy only energy and efforts only when you feel like this is the right direction, this is the right person, right energy. You feel like you should think before you are going to go in a particular situation or direction. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Page of Pentacles. Their intention is to have a brand new beginning here, starting from the scratch, like starting from zero. A small start, but start. Let me clarify the Page of Pentacles. Seven of Swords, the Star, the Hermit. This person wants to heal the situation between you and them. Something happened here, you know. Behind the scenes, something happened here. Either you did something behind their back or they did something behind your back, and it came out. And now the person who did something wrong is kind of trying to heal the situation by initiating the process of like healing mutually now. Now this person wants to heal the situation between you and them in a very positive, mature and grounded way. And now this person wants to open up the gates of let's start again kind of a deal. They want to heal the betrayal. They want to heal the deception, whatever it means in your case. And they want to do it with a lot of grounded energy. Okay. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? Wheel of Fortune. You just want to let the universe decide. Let the universe decide for you. Let the universe decide for this whole situation. You don't want to be in rush or hurry, or you don't want to be in this energy of doing anything about it as of now. Let me clarify the Wheel of Fortune. You just want to, rely on the universe. If it is meant to be, it will happen, kind of a deal. We have the Sun card, the Knight of Wands, the Hierophant. Yes, you just want to be very, very happy, and you want a green signal from the universe's side, that whenever you are going to get the green signal in a particular direction, then you are going to take the action from your side in order to make something happen on a bigger level, grand level. So until unless you are going to feel the person is right, or the timing is right, or you are feeling the pull or this energy of going in a particular direction, you don't want to take any kind of action in that direction unless you're 1000% sure. And that's a very, very good thing. Very grounded and mature energy. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 25th of May, honey. We have the Three of Wands. It's like 1 foot in, 1 foot out of a situation. Not completely done, not completely there. Let me clarify this. Three of Wands. We have the King of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, the Chariot. You guys are going to have this energy of when it is supposed to happen, it will happen. Till that time, let me just move on. Let me just do my own thing. Let me be in this determination kind of energy of not looking back. So you're holding on to this energy of when it is supposed to happen, it will happen eventually. Meanwhile, moving on, looking forward to have a great future, but not completely eliminating this desire to be with this person, be with this particular energy, but at the same time not doing much about it from your side. In fact, you are going opposite, in the totally opposite direction of this connection, this situation, because it's kind of teaching you to detach and let go, and when it is supposed to happen, kind of a deal. So you're relying very much on this energy of when it is supposed to happen, and if it is supposed to happen, it will someday. If not, it will dissolve one day. I don't know what happened to my t-shirt. Black t-shirts are always having patches. Anyways, for you, the guidance is the Fool card. Do not take unnecessary risk. You are not doing it anyways, but just a gentle reminder, do not take unnecessary risk, or do not make any kind of life-changing decisions until unless your mind is 1000% stable, until unless your energies are stable to go ahead with. Okay, otherwise you are going to create more mess than cleaning it. It's going to be more messier than what it is right now. So just take your time, figure it out, then move forward. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you.